Hey everyone, so I'll be doing a review on this collection, and this is by the brand CLIO with their melting matte. So they have melting matte and melting dewy, so this has been out for a while, but anyway, we're gonna focus on the melting matte, and it consists of 9 different colors. With the packaging, as you can see, it's a nice rosy champagne pink, and the packaging itself is very slim. The tip of the lipstick as well is like flat, but it has like that sharp edge to go around the corner of your lips as well. And again, it has 9 colors, supposed to be soft matte. And in regards of the texture, it is definitely very moisturizing, very creamy. It slides on so easily on the lips, and honestly, it doesn't feel matte at all on the lips. The only downside I found so far is that the longevity isn't long enough, but anyway, let's get started with the first swatches, and this is number 1 red set. For me, I call this like an orange red, and heads up, a lot of these colors do not match with the true model itself, which I am a little bit disappointed, but not at the same time. So number 2, this I call this like a sweet coral pink color, which is very beautiful as a gradient or as like a fuller lip as well. Honestly, like this colors, you can't see any of my dry patches, even though the shade is pretty light, but I wish this one was like the model itself, which is like a nice sweet pink. But anyway, number 3, this is orange warm. I call it orange warm, and again, this is as well a very beautiful color on my lips. This will be great for those who have warm toned skin, and I'm happy with how it looks on my lip. Now number 4, I ended up really liking this. In the beginning I didn't, but this felt like a little bit too pale for me, but you know what, I actually love the result of this. I call this like a beautiful nude orange coral shade on me, so definitely love that shade. Now next, number 5, I personally felt that this was very similar to number 3, which was the the orange warm color called Beaming Coral. So, but I feel like if I would have to compare this and number 3, which I obviously will, I felt like this was a little bit brighter than number 3, but I wish it was the pink shade like the model itself. Now next is number 6, Into Brick, and I just felt like this was just another orange shade. Like when I started swatching this, honestly guys, I swatches all of this about 2-3 times because I wasn't sure whether it was my lips that's making all this lip colors orange from now on, or whether it's just the lip product, and I've done my research and it's the same for everybody as well. But yeah, back to this is number 7, and this one is called With Maple, and I just felt like it's another orange. So yeah. Now number 8 is a red shade, and this one I call it a brown red, but it's actually called Berry Pleasure. And honestly, I was very disappointed when I saw this on my lips because I wanted the berry shade, and I love berry colors. Now number 9, again, it's called Wildfire, and it just looks like orange on my lips. So out of all of the 9 colors, there are only 2 colors that I end up actually loving, which is number 3 and number 4. Every other color, I just felt that they were too similar to each other, which have that orange undertone, so hence why the ratings for this time around is a little bit low, even though I really like how moisturizing it was on my lips, how creamy it was, how confident it was on my lips, but the colors just disappointed me quite a bit. So yeah, if you guys have tried this, let me know down below as well, but I would like to know what you guys thought. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.